Hi there, it's Fionna Gossling with an update as to what happened in the Oakville real estate market in May 2026. So, as you can see here, let me just make my, oh, no. Um, our average sale price actually went up a little bit, but this slide is mostly useful at the end of the year. So, this only has 5 months of data in it. And April was an exceptionally good month. There were some outlier sales in there. And so I don't think this is totally indicative, but we also had another good month this month. So fingers crossed we're on the right track. Um, as you can see here, our average and median sale price really shot up in April. Our average sale price came down a little bit, which suggests we had some really big sales being factored into the average sale price there. But this month, our median sale price increased, and that is perhaps or definitely a better indicator to overall market health and market confidence. And the issue that we're having right now in the market is market confidence. So it is nice to see a 5 month increase in prices this spring, which is encouraging for sure. I think what we're seeing is sellers starting to be more realistic in their pricing. If they want to sell, if they've been sitting on the sidelines, they are looking at recent comparable sales from the last kind of year, 2 years, um, not going back to what things might have been 4 years ago. So you can see we had 304 sales, which is actually more transactions than we have seen in a year since this time last year. And that is also lovely to see. A couple more properties on the market to choose from. This is still a lot of months of inventory. So we still have 4.1 months of inventory. Our average sale price declined a little bit to just under $1.6 million, but that is still quite a high average sale price compared to the last couple of years. And our median sale price jumped up to 1.380. And it's taking slightly longer to sell compared to last month. But when you look at it in the context of the rest of the year, it is still our second quickest month of sales. Again, that is a function of pricing things properly. So if you look at this May over last May, our number of sales are down very, very slightly. We had 4 fewer sales. So it's 1.3% in terms of volume, but not a big deal. We had about 12% fewer listings, active listings, which is good for stabilizing prices. If there's less to choose from, then what is out there starts to sell, and then the upward pressure starts to happen on prices. I still don't think we're actually going to be in that kind of environment for a while, but we had 4 months of inventory. Average sale price was up over last year, and days on market was up slightly. If you break down what happened in May 2026 in terms of detached, our detached home was selling for 1.954, and that's down slightly from last month, but not a huge amount. We had 3.6 months of inventory, and on average, it was taking about 32 days to sell that. For townhouses, we had 79 townhouse home sales. We have 3.5 months of inventory, and the average sale price is $1,067,000. And then condos, we've seen this month of inventory quite a bit higher than 7 months. 7 months is firmly a buyer's market in condos. And I do think that there's real opportunity in the condo market right now, if that's something that you're thinking about investing in or buying into. There's opportunity there. But our average sale price is quite healthy at $715,000 there. So if you look at just the detached homes, our average sale price is down slightly from last month, but up over the previous months. So that is great to see. Quite a lot to choose from. More sales, more to choose from, which means our months of inventory is down over previous years. If you analyze townhouses and what's happening in the townhouse market, you can see that our average sale price is down ever so slightly from last month. Not really in a meaningful way, a $5,000 difference there. But it's kind of been holding steady along the last 3 months. We haven't seen a ton of fluctuation in townhouse values there, but 79 sales is encouraging. And then when you go down and look at the condo market really does jump because there's a lot of new build stuff that we're looking at. And it's not necessarily so if it's a new build 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom and you're buying it for 1 bedroom for $500,000 versus something in 111 Forsyth or Ennisclair or the Granary, that's going to be a significantly higher price point. So this average sale price of condos really does jump around a lot, but this month it was 715,000. Any specific questions, do not hesitate to reach out. I will check back in again next month and hopefully continue to bring you good news.